I'm making a quick video showing you how to replace this bulbs in this lower taillight housing. This is a 2018 Audi Q5. This is pretty common. They burn out pretty often. It's a lot like the earlier models of Q5s, but there's a couple small differences. You want to pull this cover off first, this lower little cover. When you do that, use a trim tool or a little screwdriver if you're very careful, but you want to pry on this inner edge right here and pry it out that way. So just get back there and do it like that. Doesn't take a whole lot. If you're careful, you're not going to damage anything. You can put, a little rag down there or a paper towel or something like that if you're paranoid you're going to hurt this edge. But then it kind of hooks on that way. So lower that down, and then the fastener that you have to get get this out of here is kind of way up there, and it's a T25. So if you look up here, way through that hole right there, there's a T25 way up there. So you're gonna have to get yourself kind of something a little bit weird like this. This long 1/4-inch drive T5. If I can find one on Amazon or something like that, I'll put a link in the description. But yeah, so you pretty much just get that up there like this at about this angle. And you're gonna wanna kind of mess around with it until it fits into place. It's a T5, and then undo that screw. It's captured, so you don't have to worry about it falling out or anything like that. All you have to do is pull this out, and I'll show you what to do next. All right, with that screw out of there, or loose, it's still captured. The whole taillight housing is pretty much loose, so you can just take this and wiggle it out like that, and get to your plug here. Sorry, I'm using one hand, so I'm not doing this the best, but you can take that little red section on the plug and pull that back, and you can release the whole thing. So I'm going to do that right now. You can use a little screwdriver, whatever it takes to kind of pry that red clip back. If there's a lot of dirt and stuff like that, it is prone to breaking, so you want to just be a little bit careful with that. But you can kind of just wiggle it and get this thing pulled right back. So I'm going to do that right now. There it is out of there. Plug came out pretty easy. Just kind of like I said, take a flat blade screwdriver and pry that little red tab back, and then the whole assembly comes right out. So this is what you're looking at. This is the fastener that you're trying to get to. That's where it goes in. It's captured in there, and that little red tube kind of guides your bit towards where it needs to be anyways. So it's not that hard to land on that from through this hole. And once that's out of there, you can just pull whatever bulb you want out. I'm just doing the one that's furthest out right now. You just turn it counterclockwise like that, a few degrees, and then pull it straight out, and there's your bulb. So bulbs pull straight out of the housing. I'm trying to do this with one hand. You don't have to index them or anything like that. Let me see if I can find an angle. There it is. Just pull straight out. That was terrible footage, I'm sorry. But yeah, I'll put the type of bulb in the description. And that's it. So thanks for watching.